Hello, everyone. Yeah, it's been like months, maybe like I don't know. Today we are playing Truck RNG because why not? Who said I could not do that shit? So today, if you see here, I got everyone except for the gay bass and the stupid last truck. I did that. Like I spent so many money in game money, and I did not buy more because I'm broke. I only have like 3 Robux. Like suck. Cause I don't really use this shit. I don't really like it. But I did it because what the heck am I supposed to use that for? Like, okay. Today, we're only going to do 2 worlds. One, the number 1 world and the number world 2. So I guess I'm going to do like 6 parts. My math is, I don't know if my math is good. Yeah. So yeah. Today we are going to gamble for like a sec because I need to get last truck. So I'm going to do an update or I cut this shit. Okay, so update I did not get it because my luck sucks. It just sucks, man. Alright, today I guess I don't know. I'm bored as fuck, so I'm just going to I'm just going to use this. Okay, now hear this song for like, I don't know how long, because why not? You can just skip the part, I guess. Watch if I just fall at the end of the clock. And we did it! We did it! I'll just time at the fall truck. Goodbye. Alright, yeah. I hope you like that song because I actually like it. This shit, yeah. I hope I don't fall because I don't want to. It's a bit sketchy about or something. Oh my god. Get the fuck out of the way. But, oh, get out of the way. It's not that scary, look. Yeah, okay, it might be scary when you're a starter, but hey, it's not that scary. You just have to pellets. That's all you do. That's all I hate world for because it sucks. But that will be in the next part, so yeah. If a new world comes out, I guess I'm just going to make a part about it. Getting the drop. And we reached it, yeah. Yeah, so the other next world, what? The other next world will be World 3 and World 4. I don't know how many parts, so yeah. I was asking, why is there World 9? Can you not do the World 9? No! The World 9 is not finished! Oh my god. Yeah, goodbye. Yeah. So I'm just going to get all my life savings, I guess. So, goodbye, I guess. Goodbye. No, I do not have admin. If you're going to ask, I need the admin comments. Admin comment. Blah, blah, blah. I wonder if sort exists. Does it exist actually? I don't think it. Yeah, it's not existing. So I guess that's all for now. Also, don't ask why I have so many ticks. It's just like that, right? Also, goodbye, and I hope